Huawei has launched its new Mate series foldable smartphone, Huawei Mate X6, in the market. The Mate X6 boasts 7.93-inch foldable LTPO OLED panel with 2440 by 2240 pixel resolution and an aspect ratio of about 1:1. Huawei Mate X6 comes with an adaptive refreshing rate of 1 to 120 Hz, peak brightness of 1800 nits, and more importantly, it supports billions of colors. The outer display of the smartphone is a 6.45-inch LTPO OLED panel with 1080p resolution with the same refreshing rate and brightness of 2500 nits. The smartphone has a three-dimensional vapor chamber offering liquid cooling with multiple graphite layers. There's a Kunlo glass protector for its outer display, along with an improved hinge with smoother motion and durable rocket steel. The split screen of the smartphone performs tasks such as taking notes, documenting previews, and social media content creations. It comes with an exceptional camera of 50-megapixel primary sensor with f1.4 to f4.0 aperture. The rear camera of Mate X6 has a telephoto lens of 48 megapixel with 4x optical zoom, an ultra-wide lens of 40 megapixel autofocus, and a hyperspectral sensor capturing over 1.5 million colors, which is set to enhance its performance with Huawei's XD Fusion engine. While the Huawei Mate X6 Chinese variant houses a 5200 mAh battery supporting 66 watts wired, 50 watt wireless, and 7.5 watt reverse wireless fast charging. It's available in 5 colors in China: gray and white with glass or plastic finish, and black, red, and blue in a leathery finish. The price of Huawei Mate X6 begins from $1,800 in the home market.